grade 6A onto the stage to receive your rewards for the academic year 2024 to 2025. First, to welcome to the dais is the colorful butterfly, Admirable Rani Aisha.
Hi, happy greetings to all. This is Admirable Rani Aisha of grade 6A. I possess narcissistic intelligence as my multiple dominant intelligence, and I am self-smart. I can stand my unique talent by myself. My ambition is to become a world famous doctor, and my hobbies are playing chess and indoor games. My favorite sports are Coco and running race. I like my school very much. I am so happy that I had participated in all the competitions. I am so happy that I had such a lovely teachers like Rajalakshmi ma'am and Jayanti ma'am, who take care of me like my parents. I thank my parents for choosing this wonderful school, Acharya. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She is a sportive girl and move on with self-confidence. She secured first place in French about France, Science Seminar, Malcolm Bum and Rangoli. Second place in English role play, French Francophone, Math clay modeling and Best out of Waste. Third place in Kriya activity. Next, I am very glad to call upon our Jubilant Rani, Janani Sanjeevi.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Jubilant Ranajan from grade 6. I possess naturalist intelligence as my multiple dominant intelligence. In my free time, I like to draw. I have aimed to become a teacher, and like all my teachers, and I wish to become a great teacher like them. I would like to thank my class teacher, Mrs. Rajalakshmi ji, for motivating us, and also our zone coordinator, Mrs. Jayanti ji, for taking care of us. Daily during the assembly, we do brain gym exercise which help us to activate our whole brain. And in our school, we do multiple activities like Malgam, Silambam, Yoga, Chess, and Divya Dashti. I am a Silambam player. I participated in the Kalam's World Record and received a certificate and medal. I would thank my Silambam master Stalin ji for making all of this possible. In our school, we also do the Golden Smile meditation every day at 12 p.m. and Chambal in the month of December. I thank my grandma for choosing such a wonderful school for me. Intelligence plus character, that is the true goal of education. So I thank my beloved brother MDG for laying a wonderful platform for the students by providing world-class education to all. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah.
She is good in academics. She guides her friends to get good score. She is an excellent Silambam player. She secured first place in Hindi poster making, Math Rubik Cube, Science Seminar, Kriya activity and Rangoli. Second place in English role play and Math clay modeling. Third place in Math Rubik Cube and Silambam. I would like to call upon the stage Jaiful Rani Jaya Radbar.
Hi, happy greetings to everyone. I am Jali Ranija from grade 6. I am interpersonal intelligent. I am interested in cooking and drawing. I thank my parents to choose this school. I feel Acharya is my second house. I love my school very much. My favorite sport is a Coco. My favorite teacher is Mr. My favorite teachers are Rajalakshmi ji and Yamuna ji. She helped me in my all the studies. I am a left-brained person. My friend helped me in my all the activities. I like to thank my teachers and our beloved brother Dr. J. Arvindan ji to create a wonderful platform. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She is one who is very silent and dedicated in her work. She secures second place in Science Seminar and Rangoli, third place in Hindi poster making, social poster making, Kriya activity and Best out of Waste. Presenting in front of you is Jovial Rani Jiyasri.
Hi, happy greetings to everyone. I am Jovial Rani Jiyasri of grade 6A. I am here is the path to success. My ambition is to become an IPS. My hobbies are Taekwondo and Silambam. Taekwondo is a martial art which help to strengthen my legs and keep my body healthy and fit. I thank my Silambam master Salinja who worked here for 3 years and helped me to learn Silambam in fun ways. My class teacher, Mrs. Rajalakshmi ji, is a compassionate and dedicated teacher, nurture young mind with patience, kindness, and wisdom. My intelligence is intrapersonal intelligence. Intrapersonal intelligence, ability to understand our feelings, our thoughts, and ourselves, and to use that understanding to guide ourselves. I have the quality of leadership, and I am the kingdom leader of earth. Throughout this year, I held my kingdom members in all the classroom activities. I am good in studies, I always score A1 grade, and I always get sentiment, social and science. I love to dance, and I dance in all the cultural programs. My parents are the backbone of my success. I thank my parents, teachers, friends, principal, and our beloved brother MTG for creating this wonderful platform. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good, dear.
Oh, yeah, I did it.
She is so sincere in all her work. She always controls and keeps the classroom very neatly. She is an excellent Silambam player. She secured first place in English storytelling, Hindi math, Rubik Cube, Kriya activity, yoga and long jump. Second place in math, Rubik Cube, dance, chess, rangoli and shot put. Third place in English role play and Hindi poster making. Congratulations, dear. Now we have with us the Joyful Rani Joshika.
Hi, happy morning with all our happiness. I'm Joyful Rani Joshika from grade 6A. My ambition is to become a world famous dermatologist. I possess musical intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. I have leadership quality. I am the kingdom leader of our kingdom throughout this year. I guide my kingdom members in all classroom activities. I always score A1 grade and I got sentiment, L2 and social. My favorite teachers are Mrs. Rajalakshmi ji and Mrs. Jayanti ji. I thank my parents for choosing this wonderful school. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good, dear.
Oh, yeah, I did it.
She is a hard worker, sincere, kind and calm. She secured first place in French Francophone about France, science wireless cooking, social clay modeling, dance and Kriya activity. Second place in science seminar, Malkambam and Rangoli. Third place in social poster making, yoga and running.
100%. I love my family. 100%.
Congratulations, dear. It's my great pleasure to call kind Rani Kaushika onto the stage.
Hi everyone, this is Kinesthetic Rani Kaushika from grade 6A. To express my love and gratitude towards Acharya, my ambition is to become a world famous doctor and I am a Silambam player. In grade 6, I have participated in the Mamallan Silambam competition and won first prize and got medals and certificates. Next, I have participated in the Kalam's World Record and received certificates and medals. My favorite teacher is Mrs. Rajalakshmi ji, Stalin ji, and our zone coordinator Jayanti ji. I will always get sentiment, social and L2. My favorite subject is social. So I would like to thank our beloved brother MD ji and our senior principal Shalini ji and our supportive teachers and parents. Thank you.
Be good, dear.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She is very excellent Silambam player. She secured first place in Tamil essay writing, Tamil debate, Silambam, drawing, singing and running. She secured second place in social poster making, Rangoli and long jump. Third place in math Rubik Cube, math clay modeling, science seminar, Kriya activity. Next, let me bring before you the big-hearted, lovable Rani Lavanya.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Lovely Radinarya from grade 6A. Possess natural intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. I am self-smart and can strengthen my IQ talents by myself. I am a very dominant person. I have an ambition to become an efficient IAS officer. I like my class teacher Lakshmi ji and Jayanti ji. I would like to thank my Mrs. Shalini ji and Bilal brother ji for choosing such a wonderful platform. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good, dear.
Oh,
She is
yeah,
very kind, adjustable and very calm. She secured first place in Rangoli, second place in English storytelling, Hindi poster making and social poster making, Third place in math, clay modeling, science seminar, Kriya activity, Malkambam and long jump. Everything in life is pleasant games. Here comes a cute Nimble Rani, Niti Chandrika onto the stage.
With all love and happiness, I am Nimble Rani Chandrika of grade 6 year, here to express my love and gratitude towards Acharya and you. My desire is to become a world-class dad, to make my parents happy and make my country proud. As an Acharya, I enjoy many activities, especially the history. If you have to answer a question, how many eyes do you have? 2. Of course, it's incorrect. We Acharya actually have 3 eyes with the third eye opening. This is the powerful song we possess. Beyond my career goal, I have a variety of hobbies which enrich my life. I love reading books which transport me to different worlds. Drawing and painting makes me to understand the creativity throughout. I would like to thank my parents, teachers, and beloved brother for giving such a wonderful school. There is no word to express, no one can gratitude, no gift can represent. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She can able to do read and games using the blindfold activity. She secured first place in Hindi poster making, Rangoli and shot put, second place in drawing, third place in English role play and Kriya activity. It's my immense pleasure to call Radiant Rani Rakshita onto the stage.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Radiant Rani Rakshita of grade 6A. My ambition is to become a world famous scientist. My hobbies are playing and drawing. I possess musical intelligence as my multiple dominant intelligence. I thank my teachers who helped me in the troubles. And I also thank my class teacher Rajlakshmi ji and Padimala ji. They motivate me a lot. In our school, team project is conducted. This is a project done by our acharyas for every 1 year. Our acharyas will express their thoughts through the drama. In my school, I have improved more my skills, especially reading. This period is very useful for me for reading, writing and memorizing the concept easily. I thank my parents for joining this wonderful school. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She is very sportive and very active in classroom. She secured first place in English role play, Hindi poster making, math clay modeling, social poster making and Kriya activity. Second place in Hindi speech, math Rubik cube, yoga, Rangoli and Silambam. Third place in chess and shot put. Then I am very glad to call upon our talented Rani Tamia.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am talented Rani Tamya from grade 6A. I possess intrapersonal intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. My aim is to become a chartered accountant. People who can do maths well can become a chartered accountant. I love to dance and I have participated in all the cultural. I love to do skipping which keeps my body healthy. All the teachers are my favorite teacher. Especially I need to thank my dear class teacher Rajlakshmi ji and our coordinator Jayanti ji to motivate us. And I need to thank my dear parents to join me in this wonderful school. And I need to thank my dear friends, teachers, principals and our beloved brother MDG to give the world class education. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
She is an excellent Silambam player. She secured first place in English role play, math, clay modeling, social poster making, Kriya activity and Rangoli. Second place in Hindi speech. With all love and happiness, I would like to call attractive Raja Akshan Magmar.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Atrati Raja Akshan Mahar from grade 6A. I possess intrapersonal as my dominant multiple intelligence. My ambition is to become a world-class business magnet. I joined Acharya Academic Year 2024. My favorite is Rajlakshmi ji. She teaches me social. Acharya second home to me. I like my school very much. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He joined Acharya in 2024 to 2025 batch. He easily adapted to the Acharyan culture. He secured second place in science seminar, third place in Tamil debate, social poster making, dance and running. Charm strikes the sight, but merit wins the soul. Here, the charming boy, active Raja Ayush Yadav onto the stage.
Hi, happy greeting to all. I am Matthew Raja Shadav of grade 6. I possess intrapersonal intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. I'm so smart and ambition. My unique talent by myself. I love to create funny games among my friends. I love to dance. I dance all the cultural program in my school. I can art well. I got many prizes in art. My ambition is to become efficient IAS. I thank all my teachers who help me in all my activities. I like my class teacher Raj Lakshmi ji and Jayanti ji, and I thank my parents and beloved brothers and Shalini ji to choose my favorite career. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He is very kind and calm. He secures second place in Math Rubik Cube and Science Seminar, third place in Hindi poster making and social poster making. Presenting to your eyes now is Delightful Raja Dakshit.
Hi, happy morning to all. I am Delightful Raja Dakshit from grade 6A. I possess linguistic intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. My hobby is to do drawing. My ambition is to become an army officer. My favorite teachers are all the teachers, especially Raja Lakshmi ji and our coordinator Jayanti ji. I thank my parents, teachers, friends who guide me in studies. My favorite sport is football. I play football with all my friends. I thank my parents, teachers, and our senior principal Sarlija and chief mentor Aravindan ji. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He is very dedicated in studies and very calm in the classroom. He is very sincere and he secures second place in Tamil debate and Silambam, third place in English role play, yoga and Rangoli. Let us give for a big hand to the cute gem, disciplined Raja Dayashuruban onto the stage.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am dedicated Raja Dayashuruban of grade 6A. My ambition is to become a world-class famous doctor. I possess intrapersonal intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. I score A1 grade and take centum in L2 on social. My hobbies are playing cricket and football. My favorite teachers are Mrs. Radha Lakshmi ji and our coordinator Mrs. Jayanti ji. I am also the winner of IIMO school level exam and I am in IIT coaching conducted by Diksha Vedantu. In IIT, my favorite master teacher is Ankita ma'am. She teaches me maths very joyfully. I thank my parents to choose this wonderful school and I also thank our principal Mr. Shalini ji and our beloved brother MDG for playing this wonderful platform. Thank you, love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He joined Acharya in 2024 to 25 batch. He easily adapted to the Acharyan culture. He secured first place in Tamil debate. He secured second place in Tamil essay writing, Kriya activity, yoga and chess. Third place in English role play. Congratulations dear. Let me bring before you to the stage the cute gem, helpful Raja Harshit.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Helpful Raja Harshit of grade 6A. I am the kingdom leader of Water Kingdom. Throughout this year, I helped all my kingdom members in all the classroom activities. My hobby is drawing. I love to dance and I have danced in all the cultural programs at my school. I possess musical intelligence as my dominant. My favorite teachers are my class teacher Mrs. Rajalakshmi ji, my zone coordinator Mrs. Jayanti ji and my science teacher Mrs. Indra ji. I would like to thank my parents, teachers, friends and my beloved brother Mr. MD ji to choose this wonderful school. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He is very active and a smart worker. He secured first place in Tamil debate, second place in social poster making, Kriya activity and Malkambam, third place in Tamil essay writing, math Rubik cube, math clay modeling, science seminar, Rangoli, long jump and running. Congratulations dear. Next I call upon marvelous humble Raja Hishant.
Happy morning to one and all gathered here. I am humble Raja Hishant from grade 6A. My ambition is to become a world famous cardiologist. My hobbies are reading, dancing, writing and drawing. I am an intrapersonal intelligent and as well smart. I am a kingdom leader of an fire element. Throughout this year, I guide my kingdom members in all the classroom activities. I have a leadership quality. The name of my school dedicates a phrase, a temple of learning. Teachers are preachers. They not only teach but also preach the good values and knowledge, which help us to develop our new ideas and also learn a different cultures. My school ASM, from its inception, excelled both in academics and in extracurricular activities. Nurtures the individual talents of each child who enter into the shades of the institution, keeping traditional values and compromising method. I like all the teachers, especially science teacher Mrs. Indraji, social teacher Mrs. Rajlakshmi ji, and our zone coordinator Mrs. Jayanti ji. Mom, thanks for always being there for me. My first love and first hero is always my mom and dad. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He's always complete all the tasks very fastly. He secured first place in Hindi poster making, science seminar and best out of waste competition. Second place in English role play, math clay modeling, Kriya activity. Third place in Rangoli competition. Congratulations dear. With pleasure, I introduced our Joyful Raja Jayant onto the stage.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Joyful Raja Jain from grade 6A. My ambition is to become a world-class doctor. I possess visual intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. I like to play cricket, football with my friends in the holidays. My favorite teacher is Radha Lakshmi ji. She teaches social beautifully. I thank my parents to choose this wonderful school. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He is a very excellent sports player. He secured first place in science seminar, long jump and running. Second place in English role play, Hindi poster making, math clay modeling and shot put. Congratulations dear. Everything in life is pleasant game. Here comes the jubilant Raja Jaisurya Prasad.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Jubilant Raja Jaisurya Prasad of grade 6A. I possess intrapersonal intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. My ambition is to become a world-class entrepreneur. I score A1 grade in every exams and I am also the winner of IEO school level and proceeding for second level. My favorite subject is math and my favorite teachers are my class teacher Radha Lakshmi ji and my maths teacher Nitya ji and my zone coordinator Jayanti ji. I am also in IIT coaching classes conducted by Diksha Vedantu and in that my favorite teacher is Ankita ma'am who teaches maths for us. I like to thank my parents for choosing this wonderful school. I also like to thank my Principal Shalini ji and our beloved brother MD ji for laying this wonderful platform to us. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He secured first place in English role play, math clay modeling, social poster making and Silambam. Second place in chess, Tamil debate. Third place in science, wireless cooking, singing and shot put.
I love my mother, 100%. I love my family, 100%.
Congratulations dear.
100%.
Here we have on the stage is kind-hearted Raja Kapilesh.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Kandraja Kapilesh of grade 6. I possess in musical intelligence, mighty and other multiple intelligence. I like to play cricket with my friends in holiday. My favorite teacher is Panamalaji. I like the way of teaching English. My ambition is to become collector and I want to help the people in the particular area. I thank my friends, teachers, principal and my parents for giving me world-class education. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He secured first place in math, Rubik cube and shot put. Second place in French about France and social poster making. Third place in math, clay modeling, science seminar and Silambam. Congratulations dear. Presenting to your eyes now is knowledgeable Raja Kritik.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am kind of the critic of grade 68. I possess musical intelligence as my dominant intelligence and I possess leadership quality and I am the kingdom leader of Sky Kingdom. I guide my kingdom members throughout this year in all the activities and I score A1 grade and send them in maths and science. I thank my parents for choosing such a wonderful school and I thank our senior principal Shalini and our beloved brother MDG for laying out such a wonderful platform. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah.
He is excellent not only in academics, he is a good musical instrumental player. Raja Kritik has successfully completed the Cambridge English course A2 Flyers preparatory course during the academic year 2024 to 2025. He secured first place in English role play, math, clay modeling, social poster making and Silambam. Second place in French about France science, while as cooking and singing. Third place in French francophone drawing and rangoli. Congratulations dear. I am happy to invite Royal Raja Rangavishnu.
Hi, happy greetings to all. I am Royal Raja Rangavishnu from grade 6th year. My ambition is to become an army officer. My inspiration is my father. He is also a police officer. And my intelligence is intrapersonal intelligence. And my favorite teachers are all the teachers, especially Lakshmi ma'am, Jayanti ma'am, Raja Lakshmi ji. And I thank my parents to choose this wonderful school. And my hobby is singing. And my favorite sports are cricket and football. I play cricket daily with my friends. And I thank my parent, teacher, friends to guide me in studies. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He is very kind-hearted and little gem in our class. He secures second place in running, third place in English role play, Tamil debate and Malkambam. Raja Rangavishnu has successfully completed Cambridge English course A2 Flyers preparatory course during the academic year 2024 to 2025. Congratulations dear. Next, I am very glad to call upon our respectable Raja Ritesh.
Hi, happy greetings all. I am Raja Ritesh from grade 6. I possess musical intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. My ambition is to be a world-class doctor. My hobbies are drawing and playing. I play cricket with my friends during the holidays. My favorite teachers are Rajalakshmi ji and Panimala ji, Indra ji and Jayanti ji, our zone coordinator. I thank my parents to choose this wonderful school to me. I like our school's extracurricular activities, especially Malcolm. I thank my parents, teachers, senior principal Shalini ji, our beloved brother MDG to make my wonderful platform. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He is good in academics. He completes all his works at very first. He secures first place in science seminar. He secures second place in English role play, Hindi debate, math, clay modeling. Third place in Tamil essay writing and rangoli. He successfully completed the Cambridge course A2 Flyers preparatory course during the academic year 2024 to 2025. Congratulations dear. Presenting in front of you is Radiant Raja Rohit.
Hi, happy greetings all. I am Radiant Raja Rohit from grade 6th year. I possess visual intelligence as my dominant multiple intelligence. My ambition is to become a world-class doctor. My favorite teachers are Rajalakshmi ji and Jayanti ji. I thank my parents for choosing this wonderful school. Thank you. Love you all.
Be good here.
Oh yeah, I did it.
He secured first place in English role play, math, Rubik cube, social poster making, second place in Hindi poster making and long jump, third place in social clay modeling. Raja Rohit has successfully completed the Cambridge English course A2 Flyers preparatory course during the academic year 2024 to 2025.